Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this guy in Blender. Very easy model to model. So let's model this dog in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our reference we was using. This is our reference and this is our model. This is the reference which I was using and this is our model. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this, also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.